Student for maths class. Today we are going to solve the question based on perimeter and area of square and rectangle. So first question, see, find the perimeter of a carpet whose length is 3 meter and breadth is 1.8 meter. So here one number is given 3 and second number given, that is 1.8. So here decimal number we also use. Okay. So here they told to find the perimeter of carpet. So when the length is given, breadth is given, that means here we are going to use the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 length plus breadth. Now put the value 2 length plus breadth. I already written here 2 into, see, 3 plus 1.8. So when we add this 3 plus 1.8, here I did, okay, 3 plus 1.8. It is a decimal number. So 3 written, after that we given the decimal point and then 0. Okay. If you want to give 20, then also okay. 1.8, we can write 1.80 also. Okay. Now while adding, we will get the number 4.80. Okay, that means 4.8 because last place is 0, 0. So no need to write there. Okay. So 4.8 is multiplied by 2. We will get what? 9.6. That is meter. So here we find the perimeter of carpet. It is 9.6 meter. Second question, see. The area of a square is 64 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. Now in this question, they not given the length of one side of square. Okay. But they given the area of square. Matlab area means here side multiply by side. Okay. So area of square total given, that is 64 centimeter. Side we don't know. So how we come to know the side? By seeing the number 64, we come to know that it is a number which we get when we multiply 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. That is 8 square means 8 into 8, 64. So here we got the length of one side is 8 centimeter. Then perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into 8 equals to 32 centimeter. Okay, so here we got the answer 4 into 8, that is 32 centimeter. Third question, see, find the area of square whose side is 1.2 centimeter. So here again the number given, the length of that square is given, that is 1.2 centimeter. So decimal number we use here. Okay. So same method we are going to follow. Area of square is what? Side into side. So 1.2 is multiplied by 1.2. Now we already know how to write the answer of decimal numbers. Okay. So generally we will multiply first 1.2 into 1.2. We will get 144. Now it's the time to give the decimal point. We know that in first question that 1.2 after point 1 digit is there, and second again 1.2 written here also, after point only 1 digit is there. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. So you have to write 144, and from the right side means this side you have to go 1 2 here. Okay. So answer will be 1.44 centimeter. Okay. So decimal point giving is very important. Next, fourth question, see. The perimeter of a square is 36 centimeter and one side is dash. So here we have to find the length of one side of the square. So again we are going to use the same formula. Perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by side. Okay. Now here perimeter of square is given, total given, that is 36, and we know that the square have 4 sides, that all sides are equal. So 4 is multiplied by side, but we don't know the length of one side of the square. So I written here instead of side, I written there A. So here we have to find A. Okay. So I will write A equals to what? 36 divided by 4. Now you have to say the table of 4. till we get 36. So here 4 9s are 36. So we get the length of one side of a square is 9. Okay, so I drawn here one square also. If we check the answer, 9 I written 4 times, have the 4 side of the square. So 9 into 4 it is 36. Okay, next question, see fifth one. Find the perimeter of square if the area of square is 36 square meter. Okay, now here in this question the perimeter of square we have to find. So let's see, area of square formula is what? Side into side. So area of square given that is 36 and side we don't know. Okay, side, the length of the side of the square we don't know. So here 36 will get what? 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 is 36. So here the one side of a square is 6. Okay, now put the formula of perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is what? 4 multiplied by side. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 6 because one side of square length given that is 6. So 4 6 are 24. So in this way, if area is given, we are able to find the perimeter. If perimeter is given, then also we are able to find the area. Okay, in this way we have solved 5 questions. Everyone write this question in the notebook. Thank you.